In the realm of business management, few functions are as critical and sensitive as payroll. Ensuring employees are paid accurately and on time is not just a legal requirement, but also fundamental to maintaining morale and productivity. For businesses leveraging cloud-based financial management systems like Sage Intacct, a common and crucial question arises. Does Sage Intacct have payroll capabilities? The answer, while seemingly straightforward, requires a nuanced understanding of Sage Intacct's core functionalities and its approach to payroll management. Directly speaking, Sage Intacct does not offer a built-in end-to-end payroll processing module within its core platform. This might come as a surprise to some, especially considering the breadth of financial features it boasts. However, this design choice is deliberate and rooted in Sage Intacct's philosophy of providing best-in-class solutions through strategic integrations. Instead of developing its own comprehensive payroll system, Sage Intacct focuses on its strengths, providing robust accounting, financial management, and operational insights. To address the critical need for payroll processing, Sage Intacct strategically integrates with leading specialized payroll providers. This approach allows businesses to leverage the expertise of dedicated payroll platforms while seamlessly connecting payroll data with their core financial records in Sage Intacct. Think of it like choosing specialized tools for different aspects of a project. You wouldn't typically use a hammer to tighten a screw. You'd opt for a screwdriver. Similarly, Sage Intacct excels in financial management, and it partners with experts in payroll to deliver a superior overall solution. So, while Sage Intacct doesn't have payroll in the traditional sense of a native module, it acts as a central hub that connects seamlessly with various payroll systems. This integration is key to ensuring accurate financial reporting and streamlined processes. When payroll is processed through a connected third-party system, the relevant financial data, such as salary expenses, tax withholdings, and deductions, is automatically and accurately posted to the general ledger in Sage Intacct. This integration offers several significant advantages. Firstly, it ensures data accuracy and reduces the risk of manual errors associated with transferring payroll information between disparate systems. Automated data synchronization eliminates the need for time-consuming and error-prone manual data entry, freeing up finance teams to focus on more strategic tasks. Secondly, it provides a holistic view of financial information. By integrating payroll data into Sage Intacct, businesses gain a complete picture of their financial health, including labor costs, which are often a significant expense. This comprehensive view enables better financial planning, budgeting, and forecasting. Thirdly, it allows businesses to choose the payroll provider that best suits their specific needs. Different businesses have varying payroll complexities, employee structures, and compliance requirements. By offering integrations with multiple leading payroll providers, Sage Intacct empowers businesses to select a solution that aligns perfectly with their unique circumstances. These integrations often cover a wide range of payroll functionalities, including employee data management, maintaining employee records, including personal information, compensation details, and tax information, payroll processing, calculating wages, salaries, deductions, and taxes, tax filing and compliance, handling federal, state, and local tax filings, and ensuring compliance with relevant regulations. Direct deposit, facilitating electronic payments to employees' bank accounts. Benefits administration, managing employee benefits, such as health insurance and retirement plans. Reporting and analytics, providing detailed payroll reports for analysis and decision-making. Some of the popular payroll providers that integrate with Sage Intacct include ADP, Paychex, and Gusto. These integrations are typically well-documented and supported, making the connection process relatively smooth. For project management professionals, understanding how payroll integrates with their financial system is crucial. Labor costs are a significant component of project budgets, and accurate tracking of these costs is essential for profitability analysis and project performance management. By having payroll data seamlessly flow into Sage Intacct, project managers can gain better visibility into project expenses and make informed decisions regarding resource allocation and cost control.